Welcome! In today's video, I'll show you how to allow your contacts to add your link when they forward your messages on Telegram Web. This feature just rolled out in the new update, and if you use Telegram on your computer, it's a good idea to check this setting right now. Let's get started. First, open Telegram Web on your PC. You can log in by scanning the QR code with your phone or by entering your credentials. Once you're in, look up to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the three horizontal lines. That's the main menu button. Go ahead and click on it. From the menu, choose Settings. This section gives you control over your account preferences. Next, click on Privacy and Security. This is where you can manage who can see your information, who can contact you, and how your forwarded messages appear to others. Now scroll down until you find the option that says, Who can add a link to my account when forwarding my message? This is the new update we're focusing on. By default, Telegram may set it to nobody or everybody, depending on your privacy level. Click on this option, and you'll see a few choices. Everybody, My Contacts, or Nobody. To give your contacts permission, simply select My Contacts. That means only people saved in your contact list will be able to attach your account link when they forward your messages. After selecting it, your setting will automatically save. There's no need to hit a confirm button. Telegram does this for you instantly.